So if you have a Facebook business account, then this video is definitely for you. You know, nowadays there is a trend going on. The trend is that on websites there are chatbots that is going to help your customers if they have any inquiries. They will receive the reply automatically. On our Pabbly website, there is a bot that we have. You can see on the bottom right. And if I'm going to start a conversation, automatically a bot is going to send me the replies right here. Okay. Now imagine in the similar manner, all your inquiries are handled automatically on your Facebook Messenger. You do not need to waste any of your time by replying all the inquiries of your customers on your Facebook Messenger now as well. So first of all, let me show you how all the automatic replies are going to be received. Okay, so this is my Facebook page. Let me send a message to this page. Okay, let's suppose I will send a message over here. Hey, I want to know about your business, okay, and I'm going to send this message. I will wait for a few seconds, and within few seconds we will receive a reply like this. Hello, Digital Dynamics is a digital marketing and business automation company designed to help businesses grow online and scale efficiency. With the details, a message has been forwarded to me automatically. I didn't type the message, you just saw it. We received it automatically. So this is how this amazing chatbot that we are going to create in this video is going to work. Now let's suppose a customer is from a different country with a native language, let's suppose as Spanish. So I'm going to write an inquiry in Spanish and let's see we will receive the reply in Spanish language or not from this bot. So I'll write the message over here. So you can see this is the question. This question is translated as, can you provide email marketing services? Okay, I'm going to send this question as a message to this bot right here. And as soon as I'm going to do that, I'll wait over here for a few seconds and you can see I have received a reply. Now let us translate this reply that I have received from here. I'm going to copy it and paste it over here in my translator. It says, yes, we offer content marketing services that include email campaigns. This is a part of our marketing automation solutions. We can help you create and manage effective email sequences to improve your customers' engagement. Okay, so you can see this bot also replies on different languages as well in a different language. Okay. So this is how this amazing chatbot that we will create in this video within 10 minutes is going to work. So now let us dive into the setup of this amazing chatbot, okay? Now to create this amazing chatbot on a new tab, we need to browse the website of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation tool that helps us to create connection between multiple applications without need of any coding and programming skills. Okay, on a new tab, we need to browse the website that is www.pabbly.com/connect. As I'm going to browse the website, you can see Pabbly Connect's landing page is now going to appear in front of you. Now what we need to do is on this landing page, you will find two options. That is sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, that means you have a valid Pabbly account, then you can sign in from here. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month to get started and explore more about Pabbly Connect. Now, before we sign into our Pabbly Connect account, I want to tell you about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates about Pabbly. Over here, you can get help not just from our team members, but also the fellow users. You can share your ideas, ask questions, and even share your feedbacks and find amazing automation tips in this space as well. For joining our community, you have to click on the link given in the description box below, okay? So now let us create this amazing automation. After coming to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, I've already told you there are two options. I'm already an existing user, so I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly account. As soon as I'm going to do that, you can see the All Pabbly Apps section is going to appear in front of you, where you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this Access Now button right over here. And as soon as I'm going to do that, Pabbly Connect's dashboard is then going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new automation inside Pabbly Connect, we have to create a new workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right here that says create workflow, where you will find two options. One is the new beta method, other one is the old classic method. New beta method is more modern, faster and flexible. Old classic method is stable and has a familiar approach. I'm going to create this amazing automation using the new beta method from here. And for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as Facebook Messenger AI Chatbot. Okay, so this is the name of my workflow for the folder. You can create folders in Pabbly Connect by this plus button to categorize your different workflows. I have created a folder in the name of workflows. I'm going to select it and click on this create button right over here. And automatically a workflow is going to be created. Firstly, we need to set up our trigger right here. For that, click on this plus button. Okay. In Pabbly Connect, there are two major steps. One is trigger, other one is the action. Trigger gives the commands and action steps follows them simultaneously. Okay, that is why there is only one trigger but multiple actions in this workflow. Firstly, we need to set up our trigger step. In the trigger application, I'm going to select over here as Facebook Messenger. I want that as soon as I receive a new message in my Facebook Messenger account, automatically this trigger should capture the response of the new message. That is why for my trigger application, I've selected over here as Facebook Messenger. Trigger event is going to be new message sent to page. Okay, and then click on this connect button. This window is going to appear in front of you, on which I'm going to add a new connection. But if you want, you can select the existing connection from before and then simply click on this connect with Facebook Messenger button right here. As soon as I'm going to do that, it is asking, do I want to continue with this Facebook account? Yes, I do. So I'm going to click on this continue button, as well as on this continue button right over here. And you can see this is how simple it is to connect your Facebook Messenger to Pabbly Connect. For that, simply log into your Facebook account on a new tab and easily your connection will be built. Okay. Firstly, we need to select the Facebook page. This is the business page on which we are receiving the messages continuously. And on this page, we are going to create this bot. Okay. For the page, I have created a Facebook page for my business in the name of Digital Dynamics. You can see right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the page over here as Digital Dynamics and select it. Okay. So now as I've selected this page, I'm going to click on this save and send test request button right over here. And it says waiting for webhook response. Okay. So now to check whether Facebook Messenger is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, through a different account on this page, I will send a message on my Facebook Messenger. And then let's check whether the response of the message has been captured over here in our trigger or not. Okay. So I'm going to open a different account over here. So this is a different account and let us send a message. Okay. Let's suppose for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, hey, do you provide SEO services? Okay, so I'm going to send a message to this page right over here, and as I forwarded this message, now I'm going to open the workflow that I've created. And yes, in the workflow, you can see a response has been captured. Okay, the name of the person is Michael Karis. You can see right over here, this is the ID of this person. And if I'm going to scroll down, you can see the message, hey, do you provide SEO services, has been captured in the response right here. So now as we have this message response, now we're going to move forward. That means Facebook Messenger is connected to Pabbly Connect. Okay, now whenever a new message is going to be forwarded by any of the customers or leads on my Facebook page, automatically the trigger Facebook Messenger is going to capture the response of that. Now after setting up the Facebook Messenger, now to reply to this message that we have received, I am using OpenAI as my AI agent. With the help of OpenAI, we are going to generate the reply to the questions that we receive on our Facebook Messenger account. For that, simply add an action step in this workflow, and for the action application, select over here as OpenAI. An action event is going to be ChatGPT, okay? And then click on this connect button. Over here for the connection, I am going to create a new one, but you can select the existing one from before. Now it is asking for the token. Token is an API key that we receive in our OpenAI account. And through that key, we can build the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. To have the key, go to this hyperlink given here below in the help desk right here. And then we land on this API key section of our OpenAI account, okay? Now to create a new key, click on this create new secret key button right over here. And firstly, we have to name our key. For the name of the key over here, I'm going to write it as message key as the name. Okay. For the project, I will select the default project permissions. For the permissions, we need to give all the permissions and create the key from here. As soon as I've done that, the key is created. I'm going to copy it and paste it over here in this field and click on the save button. That is how you build the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now after connecting, firstly over here it is asking for us to select an AI model. This AI model is going to help us to generate the replies. For the AI model, I will be using GPT-4o right here, okay? You can use other AI models according to your requirement and select it from the drop down, okay? And next over here it is asking for the prompt. Now what is this prompt? Prompt is a text using which an AI agent is going to generate the replies according to our requirement. Over here in the prompt, I am going to specify my company details, what all services I provide, features, prices, and each and everything. I will write a detailed prompt right over here about my company, and using all the details that I provide in the prompt, this AI is going to generate the reply. And with that, I also enter some of the instructions that this AI needs to follow for generating the replies. Okay. So for the prompt over here, I'm going to write it as... So this is the detailed AI prompt that I have written right here. Over here I've said you are an AI powered assistant for Digital Dynamics, a professional digital marketing and automation software agency. Your role is to provide detailed, helpful and friendly answers to customers' questions through Facebook Messenger. Always keep your tone professional, approachable and solution focused. And I have entered the business overview. You can enter your business details even more briefly. I have just written this prompt as an example. And if you want the same prompt for your business, you want an example for the prompt, you will find the link of our workflow in the description box below and you can copy the prompt from there. Okay. I have given the business overview, the benefits. Over here you can see these are the services, the plans and all the details are right here. I have entered a language rule. If customer sends a message in English, reply in English. If customer sends a message in any other language, detect the language and reply correctly in the same language. Okay. I have entered a fallback message. If a customer asks a question unrelated to digital dynamic services, respond politely with I'm here to assist you with digital dynamic services and solutions. Could you please share if you have a query related to digital dynamics and automation or our plans? Okay. And I've entered few of the instructions. Instruction for AI, always reply only with final answer. Do not add anything extra, formatting symbols and explanations. Answer based strictly on the knowledge base above. If irrelevant, use the fallback message. Okay. So I have entered a very detailed prompt right here. You can extend the prompt according to your requirement and enter more about your business over here in the prompt. And using the base, this AI is going to respond to the messages. Okay. Now over here it is asking for our customer message. Now over here for this message, I am going to map the data. What is mapping? Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Okay. So you can see as I'm going to click on it, the previous step is going to appear in front of you. And as I'm going to click on it, the response that was captured in our previous step of the message is right here. Okay. And as I want to generate a reply to this message, I'm going to select the data of the message from my previous response. As now I've selected this data from the previous response, this data is mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. And simply I'm going to click on this save and send test request button right here. And we have received a response that is a positive response. And in this response, the response has been generated. Yes, we provide SEO services including keyword research, on-page SEO and link building. If you're interested in boosting your online visibility, let me know how I can assist you further. Okay. You can see right over here, I've received the reply of this message right here. Now as I've received this reply, let us post this reply back to the page. Okay. For that, add an action step, and for the action application, again select over here as Facebook Messenger, and action event over here is going to be send message and click on this connect button. This window is going to appear in front of you, on which I'm going to select the existing connection. I've created it before and click on the save button, but if you want, you can add a new connection. For this page ID, I'm going to map the data of the entry ID that I've received in this previous step. I've received this entry ID. I'm going to map the data. For this recipient, I'm going to map the data of the sender's ID right over here. Okay, map the data of the sender ID. And for the message, map the data of this generated message right here and click on this save and send test request button. As soon as I'm going to click on the save and send test request button, I've received this response, which is a positive response. So if I'm going to open my Facebook page through which I forwarded a message, You can see on my Facebook, I have received the same reply. Yes, we provide SEO services including keyword research. You can see this is the same reply that was generated by our AI. Okay. So now as we've received this reply, that means the chatbot is now been successfully built. Now let me show you how the fallback message will work. Let me enter a question right over here that is not relevant to this page right here. Let's suppose I will write over here question. I want to buy a dress. Okay, this is an irrelevant message you can see. And if I'm going to send this message, it says, I'm here to assist you with digital dynamic services and solution. Could you please share if your query is related to digital marketing, automation or our plans? Okay, you can see right away I have received this reply. This is the fallback message that we will receive if the question is not relevant to our page. Okay. So as now this bot is auto-replying, this means the connection between Facebook Messenger and our AI has now been successfully created, and our Facebook Messenger AI chatbot is now been successfully created. So did you just realize without need of any coding and programming skills, you have created this amazing chatbot for your business. Now you do not need to reply to any of your customers' inquiries manually. Now automation is going to handle everything. So this is how you build this amazing Facebook Messenger AI chatbot without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. If you find any of the questions related to this workflow, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section below and we will reply to all your questions as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.